Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need an admin Windows 10 account and enough disk space, so free up 10 GB if necessary. Once done, open Android Studio and inspect File Settings Appearance and Behavior System Settings Android SDK to see the current SDK path. If the SDK folder is missing, download the SDK command line tools now. This gives you manual installers and lets you recreate the SDK structure without reinstalling the whole IDE. Next, you reinstall key SDK components. Open SDK Manager and select Platform Tools, SDK platforms for your target API, plus matching build tools. Apply changes. Then set environment variables. Create Android Home pointing to the SDK folder and append %Android Home %\platform tools to path so command line tools work. If GUI fails, run the command line SDK Manager from the command line tools. SDK Manager install platform tools. Finally, restart Android Studio so it recognizes the new SDK and confirm the path under SDK settings. Ensure emulator images are present if you use emulators. You should test a DB devices to confirm platform tools work and run a Gradle build to verify compile tools load. If something goes wrong, clear Android Studio caches, file invalidate caches/restart, delete and recreate the SDK folder. Then reinstall only the necessary components. This fixes corrupted or partial SDK installs in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.